Here is an opportunity for every Nigerian, whether you are Hausa, Igbo, or whatever tribe you might be. This opportunity is for every Nigerian. And what I'm talking about is Nigerian Digital Academic Training, which allow you to learn different digital skill of your choice or for free. All you have to do is to register. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to register online without leaving your comfort zone. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone or PC, provided that you have access to internet, you can register for this opportunity. Let me show you how. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. So you can use any browser of your choice. Open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to simply click on search or Google type right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in dta.education.gov.ng. Then hit enter. And it's going to take you to the official web page right here. Go ahead and click on accept cookies right here. Then you are here into the right website of Nigerian Digital Skill for everyone. You can scroll down right here and read details about this. And then 32,000 Nigerians to be employed with free world-class training. You can scroll down right here and read details about this program right here. And these are available courses such as cloud technology, software development, and then cybersecurity, IT automation, AI and machine learning, connected technology, fintech, parallel computing, quantum computing, etc. Just like so. How can you apply for this to benefit from this particular training? There are steps to follow. So you have to create an account, complete your profile, take pre-assessment, and then start learning after assessment result. These are basic steps you need to follow. Now, the very first thing we want to do here is to create an account. For that, click on this three slider right here from the top to create a free account. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on get started right here. Then what you need to do right here is to simply validate your NIN number and your mobile Nigerian number. So for that, I'm going to click on here now, enter my NIN number. Then go ahead and enter your mobile number. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on verify you are human. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Click on verify NIN. Just like so. NIN verification success. The next thing you want to do is to wait for code. Code is here. I'll simply paste the code right here. 83147. 83147. And continue. Then go ahead and click on verify account. Account verified successful. Then automatically my details is going to be open right here. What you need to do right here is to fill up the unfilling details. Enter your email address. Then scroll down right here. Create your strong password. Then confirm your login password. Then scroll down right here, highest academic qualification. So you can choose the one you have right there. The minimum here is for OND or NCE. The next thing you want to do, your academic background. So go ahead and choose your academic background. That is the course you read. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on proceed right here. Digital literacy and IT skill exposed. Which of the following general computer skill do you have? Click on here and tell them the kind of computer skill you have. Then you can select as many as possible computer skill you have right here. Just like so. The next thing you want to do right here is to exit from this option. Have you ever taken any online digital skill course? So if it is yes, go ahead and click on yes. If it is no, go ahead and click on no or not sure. I'm going to click yes right here. Do you know how to write basic code in any languages? So it depends on you. My own is no right here. Can you confidently use tools like Google Docs, Spreadsheet, or Zoom? So I can say somehow right here. Then click on proceed. Then here, career interest and goal. Why do you want to join this digital skill program? Click on here and tell them the reason. I want to switch to tech from another field. I am a recent ICT graduate. I need a job. I want to earn certificate from Google, things like that. You can just choose anyone related to you. My own, I want a certificate right here. And you can, which of these areas are you most interested? Click on here and then choose the area you want to learn as far as this is concerned. So as for me, I want to go in I want to go into cybersecurity learning right here. Let me see if we can choose more than course right here. The maximum one item is selected. Okay, so we cannot choose more than one course. The institution. So here you can choose your institutions. If you have any professional College of Accounting and Business Study, so just choose your institution right here. So this is my institution right here. Are you a 3MT graduate? No. Have you completed any digital skill training? No. Then go ahead and click on proceed. Self-assessment. Which of the following best describe you? I have little or no background in ICT. I need to start from scratch. So you have to choose any of these things that describe you. I have little or no background in ICT. I want to start from scratch. Then how confident do you think you are in this selected skills area? So click on here. And then I want to be a beginner, introductory, intermediate, advanced certificate prep. I'm not sure. So I will just choose beginner, predatory. Then click on proceed right here. Learning access and support need. How do you intend to complete your training through Digital Training Academy? Click on here. And then I will require access to physical training center. I will complete the training remotely using my own device and internet. So you can choose options. So I prefer everything to be online. Then go ahead and click on state of origin right here. So go ahead and choose your state of origin. And then you want to scroll down right here. Are there any challenges that may hinder you from taking this course? So go ahead and click on here and tell them the challenges. I do not have access to reliable internet connection. I do not have a functional devices. I may not have time due to order. So there is nothing that describes me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on proceed right here. Wow.